This is the ICR 4400 series. It is a robust 5G router for industry and vehicles. It comes with a huge ecosystem of software applications. It is E-marked, which means that it's certified for use in vehicles. It has a huge temperature range, goes from -40 to +75 degrees centigrade, which means you can use it in any type of application. It has an optional Wi-Fi. It's a Wi-Fi 5. This Wi-Fi is specifically built for functionality. That means you can use it as a standard access point. Yeah, if you want to do like public Wi-Fi somewhere, or when you run your other stuff. But it also has the ability to run in station mode, which means that you can connect this Wi-Fi to another Wi-Fi and use it as LAN. For example, if you put this in a car and the router comes down to your garage, maybe you only have Wi-Fi coverage down there, but you still want to give this vehicle sort of a connectivity. So it's really functional Wi-Fi in it. It has a fast 5G chip. It can go up to 2.4 gigabit per second in downlink and up to 900 megabit per second in uplink. But it also has a super fast 4G. It can do 1.6 gigabit in downlink and 200 megabit in uplink. So even though you can't get 5G today, where you can run this, it will be super fast on 4G. It has a powerful quad-core 1200 megahertz CPU from Cortex. That could be really good if you want to run special software on this one. Since you can run a lot of different programming tools on this, you can also run Dockers, which means you can containerize your applications and run in what we call edge computing. So there's a lot of computing power in this device, not only a router, you can basically use it instead of a vehicle computer. It comes with a couple of Ethernet ports. We have one port that could be used for either LAN or WAN. And you have 4 ports that are connected into a switch. So these can be used like in WAN and LAN or 2 separate LANs. But it also has an SFP slot. So you can put in like a fiber converter on this one. It has optional 4-port PoE. The special thing with this PoE is that every port is configurable on or off when it comes to PoE from either software or the scripting, or you can set it from your management platform. So you can control these stuff if you want like a reboot a camera from afar. It has a lot of different configuration options when it comes to ports. It has 2 digital imports you can use to pull in signals from stuff. It also has 2 digital out ports if you want to trigger some type of alarm or lock or whatever you want to do. But it has a RS-232 port and an RS-485, but it also has CAN bus. That means that you can connect it to your vehicles. If you want to pull data from the vehicles, you can do that with this. It has a built-in TPM module. So it's a TPM 2.0 module, which can be used for storing encryption keys, anything that you won't let anyone else get control over. So it's really secure. It has the USB port. This is a USB host, so you can put in extra memory, or you can connect stuff. Anything that you can connect up to Linux, you can run on this one. It has a built-in GPS for positioning. It has a built-in real-time clock with battery backup. It supports all the standard VPN protocols out of the box, but it also has a library of extendable modules. So they have more than 100 pre-made modules. Anything from like Python, if you want to run your own applications. You can do Node-RED. You have tons of protocol converters. You have extra VPNs. You have MQTT brokers. Like you said, you have the option to run Docker if you want to do VMs on this machine. or just a lot of extra functionality you can add in. It also comes with an enterprise-grade management system. It comes in two flavors. It comes in the cloud, which Advantech can host for you, and you just run it if you have a handful of devices in there. But if you're a big customer and you need it on-prem in your network, you can run this system there as well. It's a really neat management system, part of the ecosystem. You also have what's called a hub-spoke VPN concentrator. It's an option to the system. It's a super easy to use VPN solution. So it's a really neat router. I recommend you to have a look at it. So thank you very much.